Want to add a verified badge for user on your WordPress site? With Youzify, it's simple, fast, and completely free. A verification badge helps users build trust and credibility, making your community look more professional. And the best part, you can set it up in just a few clicks. First, install the Youzify plugin on your WordPress site. Youzify is packed with features to enhance your social community, and verification is one of them. Once installed, go to the Youzify panel, navigate to Profile Settings, and find Account Verification Settings. Here, simply enable the option to activate Verified Badge. You can even customize the badge color, making it match your brand design for a seamless look. After enabling it, adding verification to users is effortless. With just a few clicks, you can approve verified members, giving them a standard badge on their profile. This is perfect for communities, membership sites, or any platform that values trust and authenticity. A verification badge is more than just a symbol. It helps build trust and credibility within your community. It assures users that verified accounts are authentic and trustworthy, reducing impersonation and spam. If you are running a membership site, marketplace, or social platform, these features add a layer of security and professionalism to your website. Ready to enhance your WordPress community with verified badge? Install Youzify today and give your users the recognition they deserve.